Today, let me tell you how Alucoworld was born. There were few Alucobond manufacturers in China 20 years ago, mainly in Jiangsu and Guangdong province. At first, we only produced Alucobond panels for domestic projects, but later, without any information, the Russians came to the factory suddenly. At that time, almost none of our employees had met foreigners. Only a graduated girl could use simple English to talk with them, so she helped to translate between our boss and the Russian friends for an hour. Finally, one cooperation reached. The overseas business of Alucoworld starts from this cooperation. Our first order exported to Russia's Vladivostock port. Since then, our boss found that the world's demand for Alucobond panels is greater than domestic. So from then on, she decisively set up the foreign China department in Shanghai because our boss's vision is to sell Chinese Alucobond panels to all over the world. She named our brand Alucoworld. Since then, we started our 20 years business to all over the world.